Hey, let's talk about something that everyone struggles with at some point, figuring out just how much to eat. When I first started my fitness journey, macros sounded like advanced rocket science. Protein, carbs, fats. I could barely pronounce macronutrients, let alone count them. But trust me, it's way easier than it sounds. Here's the secret. You don't need a fancy kitchen scale or a degree in nutrition to get your portions right. Think about your hand. Yep, your own hand. It's all you need. Protein? That's about the size of your palm. Veggies? A fist's worth on your plate. Carbs? Let them fill your cupped hand. Fats? Just a thumb's worth. Simple, right? I used to pile my plate high, thinking more was better. But by using this hand trick, I started feeling more energetic, less sluggish, and the best part, no more food guilt. Every meal became a chance to fuel my body, not just fill it. So next time you're staring at a mountain of pasta, or that third slice of pizza, give the hand method a try. Portioning isn't about restriction, it's about balance. Before you know it, you'll have mastered your macros without even thinking about it. Take it from someone who's been there. Getting your portions right is the real secret sauce to smashing your fitness goals. Trust your hands, trust the process, and most importantly, trust yourself. You've got this.
For more healthy diets tips, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel.